All right, so some tension around the hips. What about upper hip area, right? So the pigeon stretch is going to help work the lower area, but what about some tension in your upper hips, right under your lower back, and maybe even your lower back? So we're going to shoot something where we're going to be laying on our back, doing a handful of repetitions of squeezing the knees together, right? So this is to help work through there. You could very well as easily feel it through your entire glute area. You could feel it slightly coming down the leg. Those are all just icing on the cake. That's great. You are going to feel it wherever you are the tightest, okay? So we're going to lay down. We're going to go ahead and grab some small, moderate item to help hold the head up a little bit, unless your neck is used to being held up, and then that's fine. We're going to put our feet together, line them up. We're going to hold the feet a little bit higher than our knees, and we're going to pull our knees in as far as they go comfortably, right? The less they come forward. If you feel cramping in here, then that's telling you you need to stretch through here, the stomach meridian out here, that hip flexor, and this center quad, which is a hip flexor. And so we're putting our feet together, and we are going to reach around with our arms, get our elbows caught around the side of our knees. We're going to interlace our fingers, which is a strong grip, and we are going to push our feet together, which is going to pull our knees out. We're going to try to hold our knees out while we squeeze our elbows together. So my chest muscle is pulling my elbows in, forcing the knees in, and I'm trying to extend my hands out, which is my triceps. So I have chest and tricep working to overpower my hips, which are holding my knees out. And I can feel this on the side of my hips. Earlier today, I could feel it up in that upper hip area where I was feeling it. Now, maybe you might have noticed that as far as the more I go, the more comfortable everything gets, and my legs actually drop in. So we want to make sure that you're trying to use your chest and your triceps. So if you just try one time squeezing in like this, you'll notice, okay, that's all chest, but it's very hard. So you're going to try to be extending your fists out, pushing them out while you squeeze your elbows together like this, okay? So I was feeling that right around here. Earlier today when I was pretty tight in my lower back, I was definitely feeling it here. This area is absolutely going to affect through here. So this has been just another hip video. Combine this with the pigeon stretch to give you just more things working in the same general area. Thank you.